Because in the newest versions of Business Central, you're not developing objects. You're developing extensions using Visual Studio Code and AL.
I guess effective February 1st, 2021, configuration component changes will be made in the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central on-premises essentials and premium licenses. Can the name get any longer?
I know, good gravy.
God.
Yeah, so what they're saying is, this reads a little like Greek. It's not 100% clear. But what it basically looks like is when you're running Business Central on premise, you still have this idea of custom objects that apply to your development, even when you're developing in extensions, which is something that I don't know that people realize, right? Because in the newest versions of Business Central, you're not developing objects. You're developing extensions using Visual Studio Code and AL. So, but the idea of these custom objects, historically for NAV, it was, you get 10 tables, and those are numbered 50,000 through 50,009 are the object numbers, right? You get 100 pages, 100 queries, 100 reports, 100 XML ports, and those are all in this 50,000 range. And it looks like they're adding, effective February 1st, an additional 10 code units, is what I'm gathering out of this.
Yep.
And so you get 20 code units. And so if you're running Business Central on-premise and you're active on the enhancement plan, effective February 1st, you can request a new license from your partner, and then you will automatically have 20 code units available.
At no cost.
At no cost to you. So an additional 10 code units is what they're adding. And I think, that the 10 additional code units is the dollar cost of those there is a cost. You do have to purchase those custom objects. Again, even if you're but what I don't know that people know is that, even though you're developing extensions, not objects, you still have to have these custom references available, and they get used and referenced in an on-premise environment. Whereas in Business Central Online, when you're running on Microsoft's cloud, getting updated every month, in that framework, the concept of those object numbers doesn't exist.
Right.
It's unlimited, and that right there, my friend, is a reason why you may want to deploy Business Central Online.